So for the estuaries, um, so for the first one, Chesapeake Bay, Google Earth. I have all these things in my recent searches. All right, so Chesapeake Bay. Um, Gotta let my computer load. I don't remember where everything was, uh, but I can just research it and then explain it. My computer is not loading. Why aren't you loading? All right, I know Chesapeake's in the United States. The rest of it's not loading. I wrote down some stuff anyway, in case it didn't load. It's very slowly loading. I don't know if it's because I'm recording myself, because it just loaded. All right, well, either way. Chesapeake, it's like the eastern coast of the United States. Um, it's a really, it's really big. It crosses like Maryland, Virginia, Delaware, Pennsylvania, New York, and West Virginia, I'm pretty sure. The Fly River is located in Papua New Guinea. I don't know how to say it. Um, it's mostly through like the western province, and it goes into the Gulf of Papua. I don't know why my it's not loading. Uh, Most of these areas I just wrote down the location. I'll click it again. Let's try Kachimak Bay. Oh, it worked. I don't know why. The Chesapeake didn't want to load. Kachimak is 40 miles long, according to Google Earth, and it crosses the U.S., crosses Alaska, the southwest side of it. Looks pretty big. Um, I don't know if all right, so Jobos Bay, I skipped that one. It's the southern coast of Puerto Rico. Tamales Bay, Tamales is. I remember this one. This one was in California, like the northern coast of San Francisco. Um. All right. So what's number two? What type of estuary is it? Hmm. Um. So Chesapeake is a mixed estuary. It's a combination of salt water from the Atlantic Ocean, and then it's fresh water from rivers and streams. One of the rivers I know is Susquehanna. I don't know how to pronounce it. Long word. Never seen it before. Uh, as far as like the species in Chesapeake, it's got blue crabs, oysters, uh, all kinds of types of migrating birds. It's got aquatic vegetations. For the Fly River, it is an estuary that is mostly river dominated because it's heavily influenced by uh, sediment laden waters. Uh, as far as species goes, it has crocodiles because it's saltwater, which doesn't necessarily mean it has crocodiles, but it's saltwater crocodiles. Um, and then it has a bunch of different birds and mangroves. For Jobos Bay, it's a lagoon type estuary. Um, Mostly fresh water from rivers and streams. It's got manatees, sea turtles, all kinds of birds. I don't know the kinds of birds. From what I'm reading, it just says varieties of birds. I could look more into it, but I know it's got birds. Kachimak Bay. I don't know how to pronounce this. Fjord, Fjord type estuary. It's got deep, narrow channels and steep surrounding mountains. Um, It's got sea otters, humpback whales, salmon, seabirds. Tamales Bay is a mixed estuary because it's got both oceanic and freshwater sources. Um, as far as species goes, it has oysters, crabs, seals. All right, what was the third question? Ah, is this part of a protected or managed area? All right, so as far as protection goes, I know one of them is protected. Here, let me re-click on them. The one in was it California was protected. Here, let me go over it. All right, so Kachimak Bay. I don't know if Kachimak Bay is protected personally. I don't know how to figure that out. I'm guessing it probably isn't because it's not telling me it is. One of them tells me it is. Uh, I think most of them are protected. Like from what I've researched, like they're supposed to be. I just don't know how to confirm it from Google Maps or Google Earth. I can't load Chesapeake Bay. Maybe if I click on it here. Yeah, that one's not loading. Tamales Bay. Hmm. I feel like this is protected. I think my video is about to run out of time. I'm gonna go ahead and assume most of them are protected. I know one of them does tell me it is protected on here. I just don't remember which one. Maybe it was the one in Puerto Rico. Yep. This one says federally protected estuary. So Puerto Rico's Jobos Bay is definitely protected. As far as the other ones go, I think they are protected. I just don't know. Not 100% sure. And that's everything. Thank you. Oh, I was barely in my camera. Thank you.